Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Brian from OC Tint Solutions, and today we have another project lined up for you guys. Today we have a brand new 2025 Mazda Miata MX-5 RF Grand Touring. We're going to be doing a few things today. We're going to be doing some window tint, we're going to be doing a track package, PPF, pretty much covering all the main impact areas. And we're going to also be doing 3M window tint on the vehicle. Quick story, customer, main thing is he's going to be tracking the car. He's obviously going to be going quick. He wants to protect all the main impact areas like the full front end, the side skirts, like kind of the bottom part of the car, and the rear bumper. So again, we're going to kind of go over all that stuff today and seeing how it looks and what the outcome will be. Let's get it going. All right, guys, welcome back. We finally got the finished product on the Mazda MX-5. We got the full front end. Yeah, pretty much full front end with the track pack. We did all the bottom side skirts. We did the rear bumper, and we put a 5-year coating on top of the PPF and the other areas that weren't covered. And we did a full 3M window tint on the sides, back, and the front windshield.